Get on, buddy. Let's go. I don't care if you run. Let's go. Get on.
Man, he don't want to get on.
Let's go. Get in the sled. I don't know where you going, boy. You getting in the sled.
He's not getting on.
Get in the sled, buddy.
I think he's about to break.
Oh!
Everybody, this is Daizy and Buddy TV. We should add in.
Should I ask them where they pumped their thing up at?
Nah, that's cool. They probably pumped it at home. Keep your mask on, buddy. Keep it on. Come on, let's go see if those things can slide down the hill.
I want that thing.
Try it. Come on.
I hear that, Daizy. I'll try with this.
Come on. What you about to do, Daisy?
I'll try this on the hill on the snow.
Let's go see if it'll do it. Come on. Oh, Alana made it out. One of our other daughters made it. Where are the other daughters at?
They were too cold. They're too girly. Oh my goodness, this was too big.
Not that one, Daisy. Ain't no snow on that side, Daisy. Come over here, Daisy.
Go!
It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast if it slides. It's gonna be fast. I don't know if it's gonna slide, Daisy, but try. Get on it. Get on it and try, Daisy. Go ahead, try it, Daisy. Get on it. We have to use this because we don't got no sled. Come on, just sit on it, Daisy. I'm gonna push you. Look, sit on this part. Sit back here, Daisy. Here, buddy, take this, buddy.
Come, buddy.
Give him the top. We doing everything. We
Get
doing.
in here, buddy.
Get in there, buddy. Get in, buddy. Look, buddy, here, boy, he'll get right in too. Go ahead, buddy. Get
Get
in.
in, buddy. Get in.
Get in, buddy.
Sit down.
Sit down,
We're doing
buddy.
experiments, you two.
Experiments, guys.
Experiments. Go get the floaty thing.
Oh my God! Come on, fix his hand. Yo, fix his hand, buddy. Get his hand in the snow. Put his gloves back on. Get our maid sled. Come on, get his glove on and bring our maid sled back up here. That's what we need, our blow up thing. If our things blowed up, we'd be cool.
Daisy, walk over here.
But our inflators don't blow. We can't blow our inflators up. Daisy, you want to get inside the thing, Daisy?
No.
Yeah, get in, Daisy.
I'll come to this job.
Come on, Daisy, get in. It's gonna be fun. Oh man, you breaking our little maid thing, bruh.
Test it.
How you get back up there? Come on! Get in! Drive it! Get back up here. We can bring it back up.
They can't get up. He's having a hard time getting up. Buddy, man, you can make it. If we had a place to blow up our inflatable, Jones, we'd have been cool.
We can blow up our inflatable too.
All right, come on. Come on, Daisy, get in there, Daisy.
Get in the car. Mom, you driving the car?
Get in. Manny, help her, Manny. Come on, get in.
It's broken.
It's okay. It'll be fine. Just don't fall.
Get in the car.
Okay.
So Buddy just was tumbling.
Watch out, buddy. Move. Out of the way there, buddy. Move.
No! Please, no!
Oh, Daisy. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Yeah. There you go. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Oh, no. Watch out, little guy. Fix his glove. His glove. Now he got snow in his hands. You gotta fix his glove.
Ready?
To our cow.
You gotta push him. You gotta push him. Bruh.
Randy, help her! Put your glove on. Come on, put your hands down. You weaker than the ladder. Wait, you can't drive this by yourself, bro.
I can go with him.
Come on, buddy and Daisy. Drive the car down the hill. Go on, get in, buddy.
Hey, man, there's a sled. I'm getting
Where? Oh, get that one. That might be somebody's.
I want that stick.
Go ahead, get on it. Go ahead, get on that one first, Daisy. Come on, buddy. You next, buddy. Yeah, ride that one, buddy. You gonna have fun. Come on, Daisy, bring it up.
You're gonna sleep good tonight. This is a great idea.
Yeah. Don't run, buddy. It's gonna be fun.
You got me to fight.
Yeah, you're gonna be better than that. Daisy, get the sled.
She ain't come up yet?
She came down and dropped the sled and went back down there.
Come on, sis. You got it.
Come on.
You want to get on there, buddy?
Yeah, buddy next. Yeah, buddy, you next, buddy. Yeah, he getting on. Yeah, he getting on. He don't know what it's like. You getting on, buddy. You getting on, buddy.
Go try. Let me see your ladder.
Come on, buddy. You getting
I'm
on.
about to slide down to her feet. Man, Carolina slide. I'm scared. Carolina.
Uh-oh, she making it. No. Come on, buddy. Get in, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get on. Get on, buddy. All right, come on, Manny. Get on,
I'm
Manny.
speed you, Manny. Watch out, Daisy.
What?
I'm a speed you.
Wait, I back up because I'm falling.
Yes.
Watch out, Daisy, because I'm a spin them. Ready?
Watch out, Daisy.
Daisy, got the way.
You alright now?
That was legit.
Oh, that thing went far. That thing went far. We already went down there.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Take it down there.
Alana took it down there.
Man, go over there.
They went in the bin. Let's see over there.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Get in the sled. Come on. Get on, buddy. Get on, buddy. Let's go. I don't care if you run. Let's go. Get on.
Man, he don't want to get on.
Let's go. Get in the sled. I don't know where you're going, boy. You're getting in the sled.
He's not getting on.
Get in the sled, buddy.
It's like 5 times the speed down the hill.
Move, Daisy, move.
Watch out, Daisy.
Watch out, buddy.
No, buddy. Go ahead.
I think it's about to break.
Oh my God! Look when she jumped out. If she didn't jump out, that's gonna be a crash.
I can't put my mask.
Yeah.
Come bring it.
Come on, buddy. Getting in the sleigh. Yes, you are, buddy. You're getting in the sleigh.
Grab it.
Yeah, I gotta go with that one.
Now Joan going all the way to the house.
Slide down and get it. Yeah, but my stuff is not like that. Yeah, I'm close.
Look, I gotta wear this kind of glove.
He's
Fancy.
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 Come on, buddy.
Look at this.
Daisy's crazy.
They don't care because they got on snow boots, snow pants, snow coat.
Come on, ride with Manny. You're not gonna be scary. Come on, get on with Manny. Go ahead. Go ahead, get on with Manny. Now there you go. Now it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. All right, come on. Push him so he can stop being scared. Push him.
Hold his legs up, Mandy.
Hold his legs up, man. Keep his legs up.
What is happening now? Don't go far.
He cried the whole way down.
Then he's happy he got the hero.
It was 10 minutes far.
Again, he want to do it again now.
I'm doing it again with Buddy. Can I go with Buddy and do it?
If he do it.
And hey, everybody, that was it. And this is our Saturday. And Daisy and Buddy TV. Bye.